Hello dear students, welcome to Maitri Academy. I am Hari Krishna. In this video, we'll try to look at the practice questions which I have given at the end of the video of odd man out. So this video is going to give an idea how to solve the practice questions which I have given in the last video. So if you observe the first practice question, the question which is appeared in TG ICET 2025 Shift 2 paper. So here they are asking us to figure out the odd man out. So they given the sequence of letters M, X, K, V, I, S, G, R, E, P and C, N. So there are six pairs are given. So you just need to look at, whenever you see the letters, look at the letters into numbers so that you will feel very comfortable to solve. So M is 13, X is 24 and K is 11, V is 22 and I is 9, S is 19 and G is 7, R is 18, E is 5, P is 16, C is 3, N is 14. So what is the proper relation which is going here? 13 is 24. So what is the increase? 13 plus 11 is 24 and 11 become 22. That means what is the increase? Here also the increase is 11. 9 become 19. So there is an increase of 10 and 7 become 18. There is an increase of 11. 5 becomes 16, increase of 11. 3 become 14, increase of 11. So every pair is increased by 11. So but IS is increased by 10. So that means the different one or odd one here is going to be option B, that is IS. So you in sequence and series we have to look at the logic between the sequences, but here we are dealing with the odd man out. You have to look at the individual elements and what is the different one out of those individual pairs is the thing which you need to do. So hope you understand how to deal with this. Let's look at the next one. In this question, they are expecting us to find out the odd man out. There is a sequence of fractions are given. Let's look at the fractions. 51 by 46 and 67 by 61 and 85 by 78 and 97 by 89, 127 by 118 and 151 divided by 141. So do not get confused because of the fractions. So fraction is having numerator and denominator. My suggestion is to look at all the fractions are very close, like 40, 50, 60, 60, 70, 80. Let's find out what is the difference between the numerator and denominator. So 51 and 46, what is the difference? Difference is 5 here. And 67 and 61, what's the difference? Difference is 6 here. And 78 and 85, what is the difference? Difference is 7. And 89 to 97, so what is the difference? Difference is 8. Then 118 to 127, what's the difference? Difference is 9 and the difference is 10. So it is following the perfect pattern. We cannot able to figure out what is the odd man out using the difference between numerator and denominator. So now let's look at only the numerator values. So the numerator values here is 51 and 67. What is the difference between them? 51 plus 16 will give 67. Okay. So 67 to 85. What is the difference? So 67 plus 18 will give 85. So 16, 18. What should be the next one? It must be 20 as per the pattern of even numbers. Okay, let's look at 85 to 97. What is the difference you are able to get here? So 85 to 97, you are getting a difference of 12. So the difference is decreased. So instead of 12, what should be the number should come? It should be 20. So that means instead of 97, if it is 105, then it will be correct. And what is the difference here? So it should be 8 difference in the denominator. So 8 difference in the denominator means it must be 97. So this is the wrong term which is given. So if it is 105, you can observe the next term and next term difference also it is matching. If it is 105 to 127, what is the difference? The difference is 22 and the next difference is 24. That means you can able to see this number, instead of having 12 difference, it should be 20 difference. That means the wrong term here is 97 divided by 89. So you can mark the answer option 1. So it is a sequence and series based odd man out question, and it is definitely a good question and time consuming question. In initial glance, it is better to skip the question. If you find time, the next round you can look at the question. Let's look at the next one. So in this question, carrot, potato, onion and turnips and ginger and beetroot, tomato. So what is the different one here? So if you observe, all these are vegetables, but there is a common property which you can able to see. What is that? All these are root vegetables. So what is a different one here? So carrot, potato, onion, all these are underground vegetables, like you can see the roots. So what is a different one? Tomato. So you can mark the answer as tomato. Remaining all are root vegetables. So mark the answer as tomato here. Let's look at the next question. So if you observe this question, 64 and 56 and 72 and 82 and 48 and 92 and 76. So it is increasing decreasing pattern. You no need to look at the sequence here. So look at these numbers carefully. What you can able to observe: 64, 56, 72, 76, 48, 92. These are very familiar numbers. What are these numbers? These are 4 multipliers. I told you, focus on divisibility rules. 4 multipliers, identifying 3 multipliers, identifying 7 and 9 and 11 multipliers is important. It is going to help you to solve the questions. So 82, is it a 4 multiplier? No, 80 is a 4 multiplier. Next 84, 88. So 82 is not a 4 multiplier. So that is the reason the odd one or the different one here is 82. You can mark the answer as 82 here. Let's look at the next question. If you observe this question, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bhubaneswar and Pune, Patna, Bangalore and Bhopal. So this question is based on capital cities. So you can able to see Hyderabad is a capital of Telangana and Chennai is a capital of Tamil Nadu. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. So similarly, Karnataka capital is Bangalore. So you are able to see Pune here. So what is Pune? Is Pune is a capital? No. Maharashtra capital is not Pune. It is a Mumbai. So Pune is a not capital city. So remaining all are capital cities. So Patna, Bhopal, everything is a capital cities. So the answer for the question should be Pune. So Patna is a capital of Bihar, so we know, and Hyderabad, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, these are very well known. So you can just use the capitals. So the question is basically based on the capitals. And Bhopal is also Madhya Pradesh. We know Bhopal incident also. So answer for the question must be Pune. You can mark it as answer choice. So I hope you understand how to deal with the questions of odd man out and how the questions are given in the previous papers. So I hope you got the point, and let's suggest me which topic you want in the next class of this series of videos. So whether you want sequence or series or coding and decoding, which topic you want, just comment in the below. So based on your comment, I will make a next video. So thank you so much. And if you want to buy the complete course of TG ICET and AP ICET, so we have launched the complete course in My3 Exam Prep app. So download My3 Exam Prep app where you can able to see the complete courses of TG ICET and AP ICET. So if you following this series, And if you really like the classes, you can purchase the classes. You can able to see live sessions and recording classes. You can also see 200 plus of hours of classes and PDF material and full length mock test, and you can also do the doubt clarification sessions. Okay, so if you like to buy the course, you can just download and chat with us. We can also give the coupon code for you. So thank you so much. Don't forget to comment for the next video, and do subscribe and comment in the chat box. Thank you so much. See you, and follow us in our Telegram and Instagram channel, where we can post some PDF files and materials for you. Thank you.